Radio station, TV stations are Herbal industry are controlling radio station, TV station. And then if herbal industry should go down today, most radio stations and TV stations will also go down.
Everybody knows Adult Confidence is the best herbal bitters of the moment.